mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire, but rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, you never miss, no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now listen, in today's video, y'all see from the title and the thumbnail what we're here to talk about. But I'm not going to do an actual review on the sneaker. I don't feel like I can do an adequate or accurate review of this sneaker because I've never owned a Jordan 5 in my life. So this is going to just be my first impressions. This is going to be what I like and dislike. I haven't opened the box yet. I'm going to do that right here live on the camera in front of you guys. So I don't know why I've never owned a 5. I've heard different things about it. I've heard that they're bulky. I've heard that, you know, people love them. So I'll be able to see for myself. So if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray and come over here and join the movement, man. Subscribe to the channel. Watch some of my old content first if you want to. See if there's anything you rock with. Then, you know, subscribe to the channel. But do hit that thumbs up button. It helps for all of us content creators on our platforms. So shout out to everybody that's rocking with the channel and rocking with your boy. So that's enough rambling. Got the box. Actually got this in yesterday. But I had, you know, I went fishing instead. You know, you guys have seen the review on these. You guys have seen plenty on feed of these already, but you haven't seen my first impressions. So I'm not going to go into, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't think I'm gonna do a review, but I am going to crack in this box and stop talking at some point. So let's do that now. All right, once again, I'm going to mention that your boy was 3 for 3 on this Nike sneakers app. For those of you that are new, you may not have known that, but I'm going to keep rubbing it in to those that have been here. I hit on the Fear of God ones, the triple blacks. I hit on the Royal Toes, if that's what I don't know what the official name of the Royal Jordan ones that just released, but we're calling them the Royal Toes, I guess, in the community. And I hit on these Fire Red 5s on the shock drop. Now, again, back to back, no receipts as well. When they started the Last Dance documentary with Mike and the Bulls, I hit on the shock drop, but I didn't put 2-day shipping, so I didn't get my pair until actual release date from whenever, a couple weeks ago when that thing premiered. But they're here in front of me now. I'm going to make an entirely different video about getting sneakers early. It's just going to be like a talking head video because I got some questions. I want to know what you guys' feelings are on getting sneakers early. But anyway, let's flip this lid. Okay, so we just got your black tissue paper. You got a blue numbered stamp. I'll show you. I don't know if you guys care about any of that stuff. So, okay, let's get both pairs out of here. Let's get both pairs out here. Ooh, that glue is strong. Okay, so my first impressions are these are fire. These are dope. Now, what I like most about this sneaker is that it looks OG, like with the Nike Air on the back, different things like that. I don't know if my autofocus is going to pick that up because it's on my ugly mug right now. So, but it's a very, very clean and simple OG, something Mike wore in the game sneaker. These are pretty dope. I'm glad I have them in my collection to add along with the rest of the OG sneakers that I have. It is heavy though. Sheesh. This midsole is heavy. Yeah, this got some weight to it. But anyway, like I said, I don't feel like I can do an adequate review of a 5 if I've never owned one. All I will be doing is imitating what everybody else has done, and just saying the same things that they said. I do want to do it on foot. I'm a little afraid with this, sorry about the lighting once again, with this icy blue bottom, to get these super dirty just to do an on foot video. And I heard about yellowing and the netting and all of that stuff. Yelling. Oh man, I gotta change this focus, man, because is y'all even seeing it? I don't even know if y'all can see this with this lighting, with this all white sneaker. Let me turn my light down real quick. I'll be right back. All right, hopefully I was able to make a little bit of adjustments to the lighting for you to, it's still kind of washing it out a little bit. But you can see these red shark teeth down here, red Jumpman through the bottom of the icy blue sole. You do have Nike down there in the midfoot. You got 3M reflective tongue. You got your lace lock that has Nike on it. Really, really dope, man. On the back of the tongue, I don't know, these is laced so damn tight. I don't even know if you guys be able to see it, but it does say Air Jordan on the back of the tongue, on the back of both tongues. So, like I said, I wasn't gonna make this video long. Apologize about the lighting, but I just wanted to give you guys my first impressions as a person that, let me see if can you guys see me? Anywho, as a person that has never owned a Jordan 5 before, I'm extremely excited for this to be the one that I do, was my first, and it's an OG. So these are dope, man. Same thing everybody else has said about these. They love them. A lot of people, I mean, there's been a few people that say they're passing on them. They're not a huge fan. And I've heard some people say that these are bulky. I don't know if they mean how they look on foot or how they feel, because these are extremely heavy in hand. So I'm gonna try these on. Have your notification bells on, because I have a very, very special, it's not even a sneaker, but if you guys are interested in the video I'm going to do tomorrow, hopefully my package comes tomorrow. Something like I said the other day that I'm going to be introducing to the channel, per se. But I have something coming tomorrow. I want you guys to watch. So be on the lookout, have your notification bells on, and I'm gonna get out of here. I might even do it on foot tomorrow with, have your notification bells on. I might do it on foot when my package comes in. So love y'all. Sorry about all, I'm not cutting any of this stuff out either. I'm leaving it all in. Ovi!